And here we are, Roger. Here is the CO detector. There we go. And there it proves that it works. And I'm going to back up a little bit. There's the doorway, and there's the CO detector. If you feel I should move it, just please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to. But that's the location. Thank you.